Hi everyone, and welcome to our podcast, Exploring Our Hits, where we dive into the hobbies, interests, and talents of our group members. I'm Muhammad Mehdi Mahardika, just call me Mehdi, and I'm joined today by my amazing friends Gilang and Nurul. How are you both doing?
Hey Mehdi, I'm doing great. Excited to be here.
Hi everyone, I'm really looking forward to our podcast today.
Great to hear that. As we know, today we're going to take turn discussing our hobbies, interests, and talents. Let's start with hobbies, and I will go first. My hobby is sports. I love almost all sports, but my favorite are hiking, swimming, and running. Hiking gives me peace and adventure in nature, while swimming makes me feel calm and free in the water. Running provides energy and freedom, helping me to release stress and enjoy the moment.
That's wonderful, Mehdi. For me, my main hobby is playing games. I've been into gaming since I was a kid, and it's something that I always find myself coming back to. It's not just about having fun, but also about exploring new worlds. I enjoy simulation and racing games.
That is so interesting, Gilang. Simulation and racing games can be so immersive and thrilling. As for me, I'm really into cooking. I love making bread and brownies the most. Baking can be tiring, but it is incredibly enjoyable. I've learned a lot from YouTube where there are so many cooking channels to explore.
Okay, now let's move on to our interest. Gilang, can you go first?
Sure, I'm really interested in transportation, especially as it advances rapidly. I've always been fascinated by how transportation technology can improve our mobility and solve complex logistical challenges. Whether it's the latest innovations in electric vehicle or etc., I love keeping up with new advancements in transportation and exploring how they can be implemented to enhance our travel experience.
Well, it is inspiring to see how passionate you are about this ever evolving field and its potential to revolutionize how we travel and manage logistics. As for me, this might be very basic for a woman, but I'm really interested in skincare and makeup. I often watch videos about skincare routines, buying a lot of product, and experimenting with different makeup styles, even though I am not that great at it. How about you, Mehdi?
I'm interested in programming. I got interest in programming when I was in high school. At the time, I started learning the basic of programming and create my first application, a simple calculator using the JavaScript programming language. That experience sparked my passion to continue to explore and follow the development of programming language until now. Well, interesting guys. Finally, let's discuss our talents. Now, Nurul, you go first.
Um, I feel that I have a talent for performing in front of an audience, but I cannot think of anything specific. Based on my experience during school, I was often chosen to be the master of ceremonies and to read poetry. I also participated in storytelling and monologue competitions several times. Additionally, I was even selected a few times for a traditional dance performance.
That's if no, for me, my talent is being good at visualizing things. For example, I can quickly understand direction, maps, chart videos, and pictures. This ability is very helpful in understanding and processing and support the development of creative solution in various situations. How about you, Gilang?
Wow, that's amazing. As for me, my talent is drawing. I enjoy sketching and producing unique artwork. It's a wonderful way for me to enhance my creativity and bring my ideas to life.
It's clear we all have unique passion and abilities. This bring us joy. Before we wrap up, do you have any tips or advice for our listener who might want to pursue similar hobbies, interests, or talents?
Sure, for anyone interested in gaming, my advice is to explore different genres and find what truly excites you. Don't be afraid to play into new games and challenge yourself. It's also a great idea to join gaming communities and share your experience with others who have similar interests.
Okay, for those who want to perform in front of an audience, I would suggest to keep practicing and not to be afraid of the people watching you. If it makes you happy, don't get tired of doing it, because the more you do it, the braver you will become.
Great advice from both of you. For anyone who has a hobby of hiking, I recommend making good preparation before going on a hike. Make sure you're physically ready and bring all the hiking gear. That's all for today's episode of Exploring of Our Hits. We hope you enjoy getting to know us a little better. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.
Bye
Bye,
everyone.
everyone.
Bye everyone.